Okay, so before we get into the genetics, let's just do one more of these toy examples. And so here we have multiplied out all these different paths. So each one is just the 1/2 times 1/2. So now we could ask the probability, what's the chance that we get one head out of 2 coin flips? Right? So we want to know, what's the probability we get exactly 1 head? So here we've multiplied through. We've used our AND rule to get each one of these paths. But now we're going to look at our 4 paths and sum them up. So we have 2 paths here where we get exactly 1 head. We could either get a head with our nickel and a tail with our dime, or vice versa. And so that means that these 2 paths together are going to give us the probability of this. So we used AND multiplied through to get each different path. But now if we want to get the total sum of these 2, now we're going to use OR. Right? Because what we're doing is we're doing the probability of NH dt or the probability of NT dH. So we're going to use OR to sum these things, but first we have to get these 2 individually. So we get each one of these by multiplying, right? So we're going to use times to get this one, and we get 1/4. We're going to use times to get this one, and we get 1/4. But we're going to use plus to get the probability of both of them. And so we could also do this with our pie chart method. So first we divide based on our dime, and then based on our head. Sorry, on our dime, and then based on our nickel. And so we get nickel tail, dime tail, nickel head, dime tail. And so now we have each one of these as a 4th, and if we want to ask what's the probability we get at least one, if we get exactly 1 head, well then it's this probability, which is 1/4, plus this probability, which is 1/4. And so we can see that that's half of our pie. So we add this plus that. So again, we use multiplication to get each one of these, but then we use summation to ask for 2 different possibilities.